Okay, we're out here today on a furnace install. We removed the old Temp Star furnace. Check out those heat exchangers, man. Starting to rust up. It's still pretty solid, but a lot of rust on them. Old Temp Star, 75,000 BTU furnace. There's the old coil. Old evaporator coil. It was pretty dirty. I think the whole system may have been about 20 years old. Doing my YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here's the new furnace here. Going with the GMH 95, 70,000 BTU. The local gas utility is giving homeowners a generous rebate for installing high efficiency furnaces, so we went with the 95% efficiency. Here's the coil. These coils are all aluminum now. I don't know if you can get a good picture of that. It's 3-ton coil, furnace 70,000 BTU, 2-stage, 4-ton blower on it. And we'll get started.